step into the 2002 BMW 5 Series 525i. Don't miss this great deal on a luxury vehicle. This vehicle comes with a reliable 6-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. This vehicle's top features include dual-zone AC, power windows, passenger airbag, rear reading lamps, adjustable steering wheel, keyless entry, brake assist, and passenger illuminated visor mirror. If you are looking for a solid pre-owned car, this might be the one. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. A test drive is waiting for you. Call now to schedule an appointment to our dealership.